In this video, I want to show you how to create a verified PayPal account that you can withdraw money from. And at the end of this video, I will show you how you can be able to withdraw your money from PayPal. So you want to make sure you watch the end, because it's not just about opening the PayPal account. The thing is, can you withdraw money from it? That is the question. So watch this video to the end so that you will know how you can withdraw your money from the PayPal account that you are going to open today. Today, I want to show you how to open a working PayPal right from wherever you are in Nigeria. You remember that for the past years, PayPal has not been working here in Nigeria, but in 2025, December 2025, PayPal has just updated that they are now actively working in Nigeria. That means you can do online transactions, you can send PayPal, you can send money via PayPal, you can even buy things via PayPal, okay? But there is a little caveat, and that caveat is you cannot withdraw at the moment with PayPal here in Nigeria until January 2026, when they are done with their registration process and operation. Then you can be able to withdraw with PayPal. But if you open a PayPal account right now, you can actually use it to withdraw once they activate the withdrawal button from January 2026. Right, so now let's show you how to do this. It's simple. We want to make sure that you use the link in the comment section, and then after that, just click on sign up for free, and it's going to bring you down to this page. Now look up. There is this Nigerian flag here. You're going to see it here, right? This Nigerian flag. Make sure that it appears whenever you're going to click the link. Now, after that, put in the email you want to register a PayPal account with. So I'm just going to use this one here. I want to show you step by step. Now, once you click on next, it's going to bring you down to put in your phone number. Okay, so you put in your active phone number. Now, I would recommend you put in a WhatsApp phone number, because they are going to be sending you a text message. Okay, so if they send you that text message, you want to make sure that you get it. So now that I've put my phone number, all I need to do is just click on next. Okay, so let's see what happens here, because it looks like I have used this phone number before. Okay, so this phone number is not going to work because it's not actively on my phone. So I'm going to just I'm going to remove it here, and then I'll put another phone number here. Okay, so I'll put another phone number here, and then I'll click on next. Okay, so it's going to detect this phone number. So make sure that the phone you're using to register this account, the phone number has to be in that particular phone. Okay, very important, so that they can detect this. Okay, now I'm just going to wait and check this. So this is 189 530. Now, if the phone number, if the SIM card is in the phone, it's in the phone you're using to register this, it's going to instantly detect it. Okay, and then you can be able to just register. Now I'm just going to click on I'm human, and then I would wait. Let's see here. Okay, so it's asking me to create my password, so I'm going to create a password here, and I'll go to next. Now you're going to see your different information. So personal information, country, that's nationality, Nigeria, first name, last name, and every other thing. Just put in all of these details. Once you are done, it's going to now log you into the dashboard. Once you have registered and put in all the necessary details, your personal information, you are going to be logged in into your dashboard. Now, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. As you can see here, submit info to access your funds. To continue having access to your funds, you will need to submit the info we have requested. Okay, so just click on this arrow, and then it will take you down to the info where you can put it, and then you can be able to access your funds. You're going to see that here, account in part. You're going to see here, we will start our review after you have completed all below. Okay, you're going to see that first you're going to need to upload your ID. Okay, so you start by uploading your ID. You can use your voter's card, your national ID card, or driver's license, anyone, and then after that you proceed to the next page. Okay, once you click on that upload ID, it's going to bring you down here. So you select the ID type. Okay, it could be driver's license, passport, national ID card, any one of your choice. Okay, for me, I'm just going to use passport, and then you can add a file, that is the picture. Okay, you can add it here, and then I'm going to upload mine here. Okay, right, I've uploaded it. I'm just going to submit it here, and then once you are done submitting it, it will now come back and then tell you the next thing you need to do. All right, so now you're gonna see your information has been submitted. Go to account limitations. So if I tap on it now, you will see the limitations that your account has. Okay, so for now, like I said, you can only be able to send payment to people or use your PayPal to make online transactions. But now look, you're gonna see the recent activity. See some money coming, and when it goes out, you find your recent activities here. Okay, so you can also link your card here, right? So that's how you can open a PayPal account for now. Okay, now once PayPal is fully active in Nigeria, then you can be able to withdraw fully. I mean, fully 100% active. As at the moment, it's not fully active. I'm gonna see get paid for selling something or for the work you did. So if you click on request money now, you're gonna see that. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so let's see here. So for now, this is still not working. Okay, let's see. Okay, request payment from, you can request multiple payments up from 20 people. Okay, so now actually I think you can be able to to actually withdraw here. I think so. So let just put in the email of that person or the username of that person, and then you are good to go. This is good news, guys. So you can just go ahead and open a PayPal account right now. Just make sure you upload your valid ID card and you are good. As you can see that I opened mine just right now and it is actively working. You're going to see that I've finished up this. I've confirmed that email and every other thing is set up. So now I can easily request payment, and hey, people are going to pay me with my PayPal. That's just how it is, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, and then I will see you in the next one. Now, once you come back to your dashboard, the next thing is, like I said, at the moment you cannot receive payment yet until you have completed all of this, and then once PayPal is done, you can be able to make payment and of course receive payment. Here you can just send payment. You're going to see your balance here. Okay, you would see all details down here. Now, if you click on this menu now, you can see your wallet and every other thing. So go ahead and complete all the information, the details that they want you to complete, and then you can now be able to start. Okay, now let's talk about how to withdraw money from a PayPal account. Currently, PayPal is available in Nigeria, but the withdrawal is still not really available here. So the best way you can do is to open a Gray account. Okay, you know Gray, right? Now you can link your Gray account to your PayPal. So that means you can use your Gray email to actually send money from your PayPal to your Gray email, and then from your Gray you can be able to withdraw it down to your Naira account. Okay, so Gray has their own PayPal. So what you need to do is just collect their own and then connect it to your own PayPal account, and you can be able to send it down to your Gray account. And of course, from there you can from Gray you can now convert send your money directly down to your Naira account. Okay, because Gray is owned by Nigerians, so they understand the struggle that most Nigerians face when it comes to working with clients outside Nigeria. So they're able to link it up so you can easily withdraw your money from Gray to your Naira account. All right, so that's how you can do it. If you got value watching this video, please hit the thumbs up button and then subscribe to the channel because I share real ways you can earn money here in Nigeria.